Hello everyone, it's been a while since I've actually posted anything on this channel. Many things have gone on. I've been tired from work. Uh, been really cold out here. Didn't have lights in the shop. Pretty much ran out of money for any of the projects we're working on. But now that it's pretty much everywhere already, or it is everywhere, um, I got some extra money around. I'm gonna start working on the shop, some of the projects out here. I even got light now. My brother went ahead and switched it up. It's pretty bright in here. He got another engine. My buddy's been working on his, but he kind of stopped too because he ran. Well, no electricity here, and right now we have this as a heater, which is pretty cool because just warm it up and turn it off. Got my truck right here. It's full of trash of some other stuff we've been working on. Gonna clean that out soon. My brother has some windows here for his house, which they're gonna get installed soon. He's been waiting for these for a while because we had a hailstorm really bad a couple months ago, and he finally got his windows in, so he's gonna get some people to install it. More engines. And this part's for my buddy's truck, which he's gonna convert to a short bed. And as you can see, I haven't worked on this one. And the other reason I haven't worked on this one is because I gotta turn it around to the other side so I can actually get into it better. We just didn't do it when we first brought it in here because of the steering column. It didn't have it on there, so it's kind of tough to move around. But as the year goes on, I'm gonna have a little bit more money for this project. Hopefully I can have it running in a couple of months. I am gonna get the motor mounts, tranny mount, start putting it together. Oh, I still gotta finish the drilling out those other bolts I got stripped in there, or broken in there for the exhaust. And that's why I want to turn it around so I can take off the whole fender, take off everything so I can get into it. But I can't turn it around easily, so I went ahead and invested in some car dollies. They're not Go Jacks, but they're just as good. I'm just gonna assemble them. That way we can put them up there, just lift it up, put them in there, and turn it around. I don't have that Go Jack money. But that's what's going on. I already have like most of the parts of that truck. This one right here. The only thing I need is the fans, because my brothers, last time they had gone to the junkyard, they found a lot of stuff for it, so I can put that together. And I'm going to fill up my fridge because I need some different drinks in there. But those are the plans for this year: is get that one running soon. That way I can take it out, take it in, work on it slowly, and maybe have another spot in here for a different project we're hoping to start. That way we can go to shows with our other projects, and hopefully my buddy can start getting his project started. And he has part of it out here actually. This one right here. And right now I don't have a doorknob. It's my doorknob. But yeah, those are the main goals for this year. Had this one started. Had that one, I guess, finished off once we get a chance to help him out as well. My brother does have another truck in the other shop that he's gonna start working on, and hopefully we can help him out with that. and maybe we can have his out on the show later on. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna start doing. Let me build these here in a little bit, and then I'll show you a little video of how they look like. Alright, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I had to make a detour to the other shop. I needed to come look at the big bucket of bolts here for a washer. The kit was missing one washer. I think I found the replacement. So I'm gonna head back to the other shop. But I had to come walking over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that little baby over there. That way I can get that way and hopefully don't fall off. Alright, give me a little bit, guys. So I got the car dollies assembled. I had to go to the hardware store for that washer. I didn't want to, but I had to. But got it done. Got them assembled. Pretty easy. And they got locks on one side for when I had to lock it in and get them to stay put, because you know we have to go around. I think I got them for $160 on Amazon. I did see some about the same price in eBay. The only thing I didn't find on eBay was the one with the rounded corner. But yeah, I think it was $160 for all four. So it's a pretty good deal. It's gonna have around the shop. That's it. That's it for right now. I am later on gonna move this. I probably won't put on the video of moving it, but I will show you the final spot on it. It probably won't be this week. It'll probably be next week. But yeah. I think the next parts I'm going to order is the motor mount and tranny mount. And then I'll take out the fenders for that truck. Because I'm going to replace the fenders anyway. And I got those on another storage. I got those pretty cheap. They gave me the radiator support. They gave me all the social things for that one. But yeah, the fenders are going to come off. Remember, we're going for the head-eye fender. So this has to come off. Either way, I don't need it. I mean, it's a little hit, so. And then on this side as well. So that's gonna be coming off right here. I'll probably even take off the, just so I can get to the back side, so I can get those bolts off. Hopefully get that figured out and then start reassembling. And hopefully I remember where everything goes, because it's been quite a while since I took everything off. But yeah, that's it for this update. Hopefully I get to work on it soon, and hopefully join me more. I am gonna try to go to more car shows so y'all can know us better. My brother does a lot of the old school stuff, from like the old trucks, like the 50s through the, I would say, 70s, and our buddy is more like 70s through 80, which is a box style. And I'm pretty much OBS, RBS, and all the newer stuff. So hopefully we can get more of those projects done and more shows, and hopefully you guys join us more. Alright, thank you guys for this video. I'll see you later.